All right. Cool. Just checking to see if everyone's listening. Catherine, headphones out. I'm doing something. All right, we good? We good? Okay. So one of the questions that I've been getting asked a lot is referring to, I am recording it, so yes, I am recording it. So you guys can watch this again. I know a lot of people are absent. One of the things I've been getting a lot of questions on is the solubility of ions and how do we draw that diagram and how do we refer to it when we're writing it up. One of the things that I've been trying to stress to you guys is that you have to be careful with your terminology. It could make a big difference between a merit level student and an excellence level student, or an achieve level student and a merit level student, depending on how the marking schedule is designed. We have to be mindful that when we're using the word charged, we need to be careful if we're talking about a charged ion or a slightly charged molecule. So for example, I've just grabbed two student bits of work so you guys kind of see what I mean when it comes to the write-up, and I'll do a little bit of notes as well, just so you guys can kind of get the idea. So this is talking about the lithium bromide solubility, and you can see that the student has changed it because I've given that feedback. But you see how what they originally wrote was the negativity of the negatively charged hydrogen anion is able to. So there's sorry, Kira, I don't mean to pick on you. It's a good example. So there's two issues. First issue is hydrogen is not negatively charged. Second issue is that the hydrogen in water is not an anion, it's not a cation ion, it's not an ion in general. It is a slight charge in the molecule. So here is a better example of the words. So here we go. The slightly negative charged ends of the water molecules, oxygen end, are attracted to the positively charged lithium ions. This is a good example. So this is the terminology we're looking for when we are trying to look for those excellence level answers. Do you understand that it's the slight charge in the water molecule and which end of that water molecule that would be? And also, you're not accidentally misusing the terminology and calling it an ion, because water is not an ion. Water is a molecule. Cool? Questions, concerns, comments? Do you guys need me to write anything down? Nope. All right. I am recording the video, so if you do, I will upload it hopefully later tonight, if not tomorrow. If you guys want to pause it and then copy down those sentences, you can, just so you get the idea. That's it. You guys can go back to your work.